how to enable or disable daylight saving time correction on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable it or disable it. First open your browser, and now once you're here, go to settings, and then just type here date, click on it, and as you see here we'll find start settings, and here we'll find enable daylight saving time correction. Now you can if you want to turn it on, if you want to enable it, just turn it on and then click save here, and now it's saved, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.